Robinhood is a popular online brokerage platform that allows individuals to invest in stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies. While it's a great tool for many, understanding how to access and use your tax documents is essential for filing your taxes accurately. Log into your Robinhood account. The first step is to log into your Robinhood account. Make sure you're using the correct username and password. Navigate to the Settings menu. Once you're logged in, look for the Settings menu. This is usually located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Find the Tax Documents option. Within the Settings menu, you should find an option related to tax documents. It might be labeled something like tax forms or tax information. Choose the desired year. If you're looking for tax documents from a previous year, you'll need to select the appropriate year. Download your tax documents. Once you've chosen the year, you should be able to download your tax documents. These documents might include a 1099-B form, which reports your brokerage transactions. Understand your tax documents. It's important to understand what each document means and how it relates to your tax return. If you're unsure, you may want to consult with a tax professional. Organize your documents. Once you've downloaded your tax documents, it's a good idea to organize them in a safe place. This will make it easier to find them when you need them. Additional tips. Check for updates. Robinhood may update its tax document process from time to time. It's a good idea to check the app or website for any changes. Consider using a tax software. Many tax software programs can automatically import your tax documents from Robinhood, making the process even easier. Keep your information updated. Ensure that your contact information and tax preferences are up to date in your Robinhood account. Accessing your Robinhood tax documents doesn't have to be a hassle. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily find and download the information you need to file your taxes accurately. Remember, if you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to consult with a tax professional. Have you had any difficulties accessing your Robinhood tax documents? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more financial tips and tricks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.